Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.